Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the platform. We're taking a look at OKCoin, found at https://www.okcoin.com, a cryptocurrency exchange platform. While I haven't personally used OKCoin extensively, my research suggests it offers a range of services for buying, selling, and trading digital assets. Understanding the nuances of different cryptocurrency exchanges is essential for anyone looking to enter this market. Navigating these platforms can feel daunting at first, with a plethora of charts, graphs, and trading options. However, OKCoin appears to aim for a user-friendly experience, potentially making it a suitable option for both beginners and experienced traders. One key aspect to consider when choosing an exchange is security. It's vital to research the platform's security measures and track record before committing any funds. Features like two-factor authentication and cold storage are crucial for protecting your investments. While I can't personally vouch for OKCoin security protocols, it's essential to conduct your due diligence and explore their safety features in detail on their website. Another important factor is the range of cryptocurrencies available. Different exchanges offer access to different coins and tokens. OKCoin's offerings should be examined closely to ensure they align with your investment goals. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins, confirming their availability on the platform is a necessary step. Furthermore, understanding the fee structure is critical. Every exchange has its own fee schedule for trading, deposits, and withdrawals, which can significantly impact your overall returns. Finally, user experience plays a significant role in selecting an exchange. A platform with a clear, intuitive interface can simplify the trading process, particularly for newcomers. While the visual appeal of a website is subjective, a well-designed platform can enhance usability and streamline your trading activities. Ultimately, choosing a cryptocurrency exchange requires careful consideration of security, available assets, fees, and user experience. While this overview provides a brief glimpse into OKCoin, I strongly encourage you to conduct your own research and explore the platform thoroughly before making any investment decisions. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency carries risks, and it's vital to be informed and prepared.